DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money. Okay, I've got the first fork set up for welding. So I'm going to weld it. I know it's rusty, but you know what? Rusty steel welds just fine. Especially when you don't have anything critical, like, you know, it'll be good. It'll be fine. Okay, I made sure it was all square, perfectly aligned. What's my distance? Okay, like I said, this is just some 1-inch stock. Actually, well, I guess they measure from the inside, but it's about 3/16. And this is from old bed frames. Bed frames make great steel. That's #1 steel right there. That's high quality shit. And the distance, I just have this piece there just to keep everything level. But the distance, it's exactly 14 and 12/16, okay? And that gives me 12 and a little bit of scoochy room inside, because that's how wide my hive is. Alright, I'm going to weld this and I'll show you when I'm done. 3/4. I say the number and then how many sixteenths, okay? So this is 14/12. 12/16 exactly. And on the inside it's 12 and maybe 3. 12 and 3 maybe. And I think that's consistent. 12 and 2 there. 12 and 3. And the inside to fit on this box, because the box is 12 inches. And a little bit of scooching room. Okay, that's it. Okay, action. Okay, I got an OB box here. I just tacked this. It's still kind of hot. It's toasty. But this is how it's going to work, see? So it's just going to lift up here and lift this box. So I got it tacked. I could be a lot better welding, let's put it that way. I'm not going to say I'm a shitty welder because that's negative. But I am going to say that I could use a lot of improvement. But so far this is looking good. Now I'm just going to reinforce all this around here. Weld every spot that I can to make this as strong as possible. Now what's going to happen is this big pipe, oh, fall down, why don't you? So this is the part that's going to slide. So this is going to weld right onto here, okay? Like that. And you know what? I think this can be a lot shorter. So I'm going to weld it on here like that, and then I'm going to have this other piece. I'm using the long side here. I'm going to have the other piece down maybe here at the bottom. And then this piece will be up here. Okay. And then there's going to be some 45s that go from here to there. And that'll make this thing solid. I don't think it needs to be that long. I think I can get away with just like this. Anyway, and then this will attach to here. Okay. And then the hook will come here and this will pull it up on the pipe. Okay. And pull the whole fucking thing up. That's how it's going to work. Okay, that's it for now. I'll shoot some more when I have more progress so you guys will see exactly how this works. I did give you the measurements, right? 14 and 12/16. That's how I measure. 14, 12/16 instead of 14 and... Okay, I got this piece the final welding on it. Like I said, I could be a better welder. But anyway, everything... So this is ready to go. And I've started on the slidey part where this is going to go right here, okay? But there's going to be a brace underneath, and with some 45s coming up, so I'm going to weld this first. And I made some shiny spots everywhere. I got a welding plate here, and I got this distance from here to there measured equal, so this is square, I hope. Vice. And I'm going to, put a nice tack on here to keep this one going. And then once I do that, I'll put one on the back, and then I'll fill up in here on the bottom. And then we'll weld the other piece on, and then we'll give it a test on this to see if it slides. And then this is just a short piece. We're going to get a long piece. A long piece that, well, you'll see. But anyway, making progress, and the next step will be to weld all this together and see how it works. Okay, that'll be part 3, I guess. By the way, if you like this video, please remember to give us a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to. We got a lot of new stuff coming. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these, because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.